The geothermal industry is full of potential. Potential to spark innovation. Potential to create thousands of new jobs. And the potential to be on the forefront of the clean energy revolution. The next generation of geothermal visionaries are getting creative, using additive manufacturing to address some of the toughest challenges faced by the industry. These are the innovators who are coming up with solutions the geothermal community has faced for decades. These are the movers and shakers, the inventors, the next big thinkers. These are the American-made Geothermal Prize finalists. The Baker Hughes team is developing high-expansion packers with additively manufactured backup rings. With an intensive interlocking pedal design, these backup rings have the potential to improve the zonal isolation in both open and cased-hole geothermal wells. The Downhole Emerging Technologies team is working on an innovative alternative to traditional packer systems. Their retrievable all-metal packer system is designed specifically for high temperatures, extreme pressures, and corrosion experienced in geothermal wells. The Plugs team is developing a sparger system that uses high-pressure air for artificial lift, which replaces traditional electric pumps. Their technology addresses maintenance issues experienced by existing pump technologies due to harsh geothermal conditions. The Bit Guys team is developing an air hammer drill bit with carbide cutter retention technology that tackles drilling-related challenges in geothermal environments. This bit technology addresses both strength and temperature requirements for difficult geothermal drilling. Finally, the ultra-high temperature logging tool team is developing a technology that uses a labyrinthian heat sink to reduce thermal emissivity and increase the exposure time of temperature-sensitive electronic components. The technology solves limitations around maximum temperature rating and lifetime of electronics in logging and measurement tools. The Geothermal Manufacturing Prize is just the beginning for these entrepreneurs. Their technologies have the potential to shape the future of geothermal energy. Now, let's find out which technologies are awarded $500,000 as winners of the Geothermal Manufacturing Prize.